everyone. Today I'm fixing neck bones. I washed them up real good. Mixed vegetables, mashed potatoes and gravy, and bread pudding. Hi everyone, I'm preparing my neck bones to put them in the oven. I'll get back with you. Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm doing my bread pudding now. I'm using butter crescent rolls and I'm using some leftover biscuits. And this is all that I'm gonna use in it. Alright everyone, I'm getting my mashed potatoes ready. Got some butter and some black pepper over in there. Pink salt. Now I'm back. I am done with my meal today. Bread pudding. Vegetables and other things.